Life cycle of butterfly. It all begins with a tiny egg resting on a dewy leaf under the morning sun. From it emerges a hungry caterpillar, exploring and feeding, growing quickly in its vibrant green world. Soon, it hangs beneath a leaf, forming a chrysalis, a mysterious cocoon glowing with change. Inside, an incredible transformation unfolds, unseen and magical. And finally, a butterfly emerges, wings unfolding, shimmering in sunlight, ready for its first flight. From the smallest beginnings comes extraordinary beauty, nature's journey of transformation.